demonstration too. But we shouldn't be stopping things. You need to let your company directors know, as we have been telling them, as we have been petitioning.
Do the right thing, brother.
We should not be purchasing products from, or you should not be supplying products from the West Bank or the Jordan Valley and Israel proper itself, because this land. This is grown on the land where it should actually be given to the rightful owners of it, who have these documents. But unfortunately, because of the wars that's been happening, Israel has been encroaching on the Palestinian, on the land of the native people, and they have grown these in place of the people who should have their own farms.
Genocide. Internationally illegal.
I won't be buying this, but this is just a protest.
Yeah, nothing against you.
You realise if you damage these produce and you're not buying them, then you can be arrested.
No, he hasn't damaged them though.
I will not be causing anything.
You're going to damage them. I mean, if any of these goods are chilled, for instance, and they become unsellable, that means you're going to be arrested for criminal damage.
They shouldn't be selling anyway. It's criminal damage to be selling Israeli products anyway.
I'm not damaging these goods. This officer might be taking things to the extreme, but
by the looks of it. Yeah, exactly.
Anyone can do that. Anyone
Illegal
has to do that.
products.
But you can purchase something, change your mind, and no, it's not damaging.
Sorry, I'm going to put them back.
Imran, I want you to do a job. I want you to have these outside here and let your directors come and put them back themselves. Because you, Imran, brother, we should not be touching these goods.
Exactly.
We have blood on our hands now.
Yes, these are Israeli products. Shame on Imran. Shame on you. Shame on you, Imran.
This is a protest.
Shame on you, Imran.
Well, that's here or there.
Yes.
Just pick one packet up and make a point. Picking all those up.
But they're all Israeli products. They're all Israeli products. Yeah, they're all Israeli products.
The fact that they're doing that business is illegal. International law, sir.
Shame on them.
This is international illegal.
Well done. Well done, bro.
I'm leaving now anyway, just leave.
Not really. Why should you be leaving? I don't understand why should you be leaving.
Imran, I know we have your support. As a community, we have your support. But it's in your position now, as a produce manager, to make that forward to your suppliers that we do not want to keep Israeli produce in our store, let alone be it West Bank or the Jordan Valley or the occupied Golan Heights. Israel Produce full stop is supporting the apartheid in Gaza and in the West Bank. So we must make a stand.
I don't think he understands. Lagin na to buzu oise na. I don't think so. Na mi buzu na.
By something that more mosido.
Buzu lagin to oise na. It's a bit overfilled it up.
I've been on a not sure.
Should we do one more? Should we do one more?
Shake your hand. I hope inshallah will make a difference. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.